The water vapor comes out of the can. Now we are ready. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Who's gonna count?
1,
2,
2,
3.
3. Oh.
How good is that?
Very good.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yalla, say bye.
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 Subscribe to our channel.
Yes.
And like.
Hello, how are you today?
Fine.
Today I prepared for you a very cool experiment with cans.
Yo.
Okay? Now that we will heat the can, okay? It will become very hot. Then we're gonna put it inside the cool water. Okay, cold water. What will happen when it heats? When it becomes hot, the pressure will be very high. Okay, when we suddenly cool it, the pressure and temperature will be very low, and the atmospheric pressure will crush the can. Okay, are you ready?
Yeah.
Yalla, let's go. Yeah, it will take some time to heat. And now, how do we know we can do the experiment? When water vapor becomes out of the can. Okay, we will wait a little. Inside the can there is water. Okay, the water is heating up. We will wait a little bit. You see the vapor? No, it's not gonna blow. You see the vapor? Are you ready? Who's gonna count? 1, 2.
3.
Wow! How cool is that? You see? We crushed the can with atmospheric pressure. We do it again one more time?
Yes!
Yeah.